Hey guys, good morning. This is Oval here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, we'll talk about something new, that is our 3D wall diagram. So, in this video, we'll create one wall and we'll create the different layers separately, and I'll show you how to create 3D wall diagram. As you can see on the screen, we'll create this kind of diagram, 3D wall diagram. So I'll show you each and every step in this tutorial. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, over here we'll create one wall. For the wall, we are using WA command, and over here we'll use the exterior brick on CMU wall. And यहाँ से we'll create a wall of 10 feet. And let me flip this wall. So okay. Now, as you can see in the wall, we have over here brick layer, then we have air gap, and then insulation. Then, if you see, we have CMU wall part, and then again, this is our gypsum board and all layers. So, if you want to see the layer, you can go to edit type, and over here you can find the different layers of the brick. So, if you see over here, let me narrow it down. And over here in the preview, you can see all layers. So if you see, first layer is our brick layer, then we have air, then over here in the substrate, we have rigid insulation, then damp proofing, then concrete masonry unit, and then metal furring. And if you see, this is our metal furring, then we have gypsum wall board. Okay, so let me close this. And first of all, over here, we'll use the selection box command. So before that, over here, we'll duplicate the 3D view. So over here in the 3D view, go to 3D view and select and do right click. And over here, you will find duplicate view. So यहाँ पे हम duplicate करेंगे. Now in the 3D view, copy one. Here we can rename it. So यहाँ से आप उसको rename कर सकते हो. So let me assign the name 3D. Let me erase first and 3D wall. Let's say diagram. Diagram. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll close previous 3D view and we'll keep open this one 3D wall diagram. Now in the 3D wall diagram view, we'll hide the labels. So let's do uncheck and click on the OK. Now we'll hide this selection box EH. Okay. So if you see, we have different layers over here, but it is not visible right now. So in the 2D plan, if you see, we have different layers. But over here, we'll go to 3D view, and first of all, we'll go modify over here, and here select this create parts and select the walls. So like this way, you can create the different layer. So if you see, it's clearly visible, different layers, brick and airspace, then insulation and CMU unit, and then you can say our gypsum board. So now here to create the diagram, first we'll cut the different layers. So it is visible in 3D. So first of all, select first layer, and over here you will find divide part option. So just select on that, and now let's go set to front view. And first we'll select on edit sketch. And now first of all, you need to set the work plane, pick a plane, okay, and just select the working plane. Now over here we'll make one line. So as you can see, I am drawing like this way, and click on the finish. Now if you see, we have this kind of you can say cut plane like that. And now here you can see, let me again finish this, and now select that you can say upper part of this brick layer, and just यहाँ से आपको करना है exclude parts. So if you see, यहाँ पे वो part जो है वो remove हो गया है. So यहाँ पे इस तरह से हम different parts को यहाँ पे cut करेंगे. So जितने भी parts है यहाँ पे we can see clearly visible. Okay, for the second part, we'll do same process for the, this is our, if you see, we can select over here. Okay. So यहाँ पे let's divide parts, edit sketch, and first of all set the work plane. Click on the OK, and now over here you can select the work plane. If you see, let me set work plane. With the help of tab key, you can select the work plane. Okay, this one is our plane. Select, and now here we'll draw another line. Now let me draw line like this way. Okay, and click on the finish. Now let me select the second upper part. Before that, we need to finish this. Now let me select this part, exclude part. Okay, that's fine. So we have, you can say, this is our brick wall. This is our, you can say, this is our airspace, and like that. Okay, so for the each layer, let me do it. For this one, for the third layer, I'll do same process. For the selection, you can use this corner. Okay. Okay, we have selected. Now, let's do divide part and edit sketch. Let me set to work plane, pick up plane, click on the OK, and with the help of tab key, we'll select the work plane. Okay, this is our work plane. Click, and now go to front view, draw a line like that, finish, and let's select the upper part. Before that, we need to finish this. Now select the upper part. This is our, now exclude the part. Now for the CMU unit, we'll select CMU unit, divide part, edit sketch, set a work plane, pick a plane, and let me pick one work plane. This one is our work plane, and now we'll draw line. यहाँ पे आप कुछ different line भी draw कर सकते हो. As you can see, I'm drawing this line like this way in the curvature. You can draw like this way also, and click on the finish, and now again finish, and select the upper part and exclude part. Okay, so for the last layer of our gypsum wall board, we'll keep it as it is. And now let me assign the different name of the layers. So first of all, we'll set the orientation over here, and we can on the sun path. Okay, we have on the, turn on the shadow. Now you can say, let me select this, and over here we have just adjusted the angle, and we can lock it over here, save orientation and lock view. Now over here we'll assign the different name. So if you see यहाँ से we'll copy different name, go to edit type and go to edit, and we'll select different, we'll copy each and every layers. So now we'll use the text parameter. You can say text command, and now here we'll assign the different name. So यहाँ पे मैं shadow को temporary off कर रहा हूँ, and यहाँ से we'll assign the different name. This is our brick. We can give it name the brick like that. So यहाँ से जो भी name है आप उसको copy कर सकते हो यहाँ से. Just this is our brick common. So let me paste it over here, and like this way you can assign the each and every name. Okay, so as you can see over here, I have assigned the name of each layer. So like this way, you can assign the different names, and Like this way you can create this kind of diagram. So now this is how you can create the 3D wall diagram, and like this way you can create the different wall layer diagram in the 3D, and you can assign the different names with the help of text command. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like our tutorial, please leave a one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.